Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Volvo XC60. Any screen, nav buttons here, onto nav. Not showing a whole lot there, so we'll press nav again. Then that brings up set address. We want to set address. The OK button is here, OK. And then I just navigate to city, click city. I'm going to put the postcode in, so postcode is there. You've got 123. See there? That's on the rotary menu for the alphabet. But if I turn it anti-clockwise, it then takes you onto the little menu in the middle, and that's postcode. So once we're on postcode, we click OK. Now, go back to the rotary control. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, PR. We need to go to numbers now, so that's defaulted to numbers, but I need to click OK to take it to numbers. And then anti-clockwise again, 5, 4. We want to go back to ABC. It's defaulted to ABC, but you have to click OK to accept it. What are we? PR5, 4E, A. PR5, 4EA. Now again, you have to click OK. You've just typed it all in. You've still got to click OK, and then set a single destination. Set.
The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
That's how you set the sat-nav. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.